Okay, Dayo đã vô ở Thạc Rơ đi Việt Nam rồi nó bảo vào Việt Nam. Okay. We start now. Normally, how long you cut your hair?
1 month.
What style do you like?
3 times.
You like long hair, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I put this product. This is product from my place
Yeah.
called Pat Gron. Right. So this is a pomade, but we'll put for you a little bit to make it your hair a little bit sweat. How long you been working here?
1 year.
1 year. Can check here.
Wow, I love this.
Right? You like it?
I like it. Tôi yêu sản phẩm này.
Alright. How you feeling?
Yeah.
Good.
Đây là một sản phẩm rất là tuyệt vời. Tôi rất thích sản phẩm này. I thank you bro.
See you later.